Decided to make a quick update video on crypto because right now the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana are pumping towards the upside a little bit. Well, is this a reversal or starting of a new trend, or else just a fake out? I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and since I made my last video, the prices of Bitcoin especially is again pumping towards the upside. Right now it is at approximately $88,000. Yesterday's candle, if you look, it opened at 85 and closed at $88K level over here. Well, to be quite honest, yes, it is kind of, I would say, a big body bullish candle, but this is not an engulfing candle because this previous candle has not been engulfed by yesterday's candle. And also one more important thing, if you look at the volume of yesterday's green candle, it is very less. So yeah, there is a bullish candle formation that happened yesterday, but I'm still expecting a bearish dump from the price of Bitcoin, and this is just kind of a small correction because after huge dump or a huge pump there is always a small sort of correction, a small sort of liquidity hunt. So overall I'm still expecting a dump from the price of Bitcoin, and as I said last time, that minimum I am expecting the price of Bitcoin to come at $83,000, 83.8k. And well, let's see, maybe we can see the price of Bitcoin go again till $91,000, this important yellow mark like this, and then sideways market. But I'm still expecting a big dump from the price of Bitcoin, and when I'm expecting a dump from Bitcoin, then the same will happen with Ethereum and Solana and every other crypto. Now I'm on Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and if you look closely, I told you all that the price of Ethereum has to come all the way down till $2,700. This is a very crucial support for Ethereum. This whole zone is very crucial support zone, but at least I'm expecting $2,700 level first to be met. But well, again same thing, yesterday's candle did not engulf its previous candle, as you can see, and not only this, but the volume is also pretty low. So yeah, there is some entry of buyers in the market and they got stimulated, but I'm still expecting a major sharp incessant dump from sellers, and as I said, at least till 2700. But right now, okay, it's just a small pump, but all I can suggest to you guys is that do not get trapped here, do not get manipulated by just seeing a small pump or 2 to 3 green candles, because you have to zoom out and look at the reality. Also, one more thing is that I am saying that the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana has to dump, so that does not mean that they will dump for sure. According to price action and according to my analysis, I'm thinking that they have to dump, but again, anything can happen in this market. I can be wrong as well, so don't follow me blindly, do your own analysis. And what do you guys think? Comment down below. And in the end, talking about Solana, so right over here, same is with Solana also. Yesterday we have seen a big major pump in the prices of Solana as well. Same again, it did not engulf its previous candle and volume is also pretty much low. But if you look closely, the price of Solana came exactly at this important support zone from $119 to $123. The price of Solana exactly came here and now getting a reversal. Well, I won't say a reversal, just a quick pump over here. But as I said, I won't be surprised if the price of Solana does a fake out of this zone. See, this whole support zone is very important for Solana, especially the $119 mark. Very important for Sol, and it can dump all the way down sub 119 and can do a fake out. Maybe the price can range here and then again pump towards the upside. That is what I'm expecting. And well, I did not enter in a long position and I'm still waiting for the price of Solana to crash. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Well, maybe my tone is very straight to the point and bearish tone for crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana and every other crypto, but I'm expecting a dump from Bitcoin, Ethereum and every other crypto, and that is what I think. Yes, I can be wrong as well. What do you guys think? You can do your own analysis and do comment below, but that is what I expect for now, and I'm not taking any trade. I'm just waiting because I expect that the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum has to dump more. This is nothing right now, and well, I'll take a trade if I see a good opportunity, but for now I'm personally not taking any trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.